Hello and welcome to Power Platform with Mussie. Not sure what Power Platform is or where to even start? You're in the right place. When I first started learning Power Platform, I found it a bit confusing because there were so many moving parts. So, in this video, I want to give you a clear and simple overview to help you get started with confidence. In today's video, I'll explain the Power Platform in simple terms, what it is, how it works, and why it's so important for businesses. So what is Power Platform? Power Platform is a suite of Microsoft tools that lets you build apps, automate workflows, analyze data, and create chatbots, all without writing much or any code, as it is a low-code, no-code platform. Think of it like a toolbox that helps you build custom business apps, create workflows to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data to make better business decisions. It consists of 5 main components that are designed to work individually or together to help you achieve your business goals. They are Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agents, which has been integrated to Copilot Studio. All these products sit on top of the Dataverse, which is Microsoft's database. More on Dataverse in upcoming videos. First up, we have Power Apps. This tool lets you build your own business apps without needing to code. You can drag and drop things like buttons, forms, and galleries to create responsive apps that work on both your phone and your computer. For example, let's say your team is still using Excel to track inventory. You can build a custom app in Power Apps where they can scan items, update stock, and submit reports in just a few clicks. Whether it's managing inventory, tracking expenses, or streamlining employee leave requests, Power Apps lets you build tailored applications easily. You can connect your app to Excel, SharePoint, Dataverse, Dynamics 365, or even non-Microsoft tools like Salesforce or Dropbox. Power Automate allows you to automate repetitive tasks, like getting an email every time a new file is added to SharePoint, or sending a reminder when something is overdue. You can create automated workflows so you don't have to keep doing the same tasks over and over. This saves time, ensures consistency, and reduces errors. For example, you can set it up so that when a customer fills out a form, it automatically sends them a thank you email, adds their details to a SharePoint list, and notifies your team in Teams or via email. You can automate approvals, send notifications, and even connect different apps together without writing code. Power Pages allows you to create external-facing business websites that let users outside your organization sign in using a wide variety of identity options. Users can sign in either anonymously or with authentication. These websites let your customers submit forms, track service requests, view their personal data, and register for events all securely and easily. For example, let's say you work at a training company. You could use Power Pages to build a student portal where students can log in, view their courses, submit homework, check their grades, and more. Power BI, which stands for Business Intelligence, helps you turn your raw data into interactive charts, dashboards, and reports so you can make better and faster business decisions. It's like turning a messy spreadsheet into a beautiful dashboard that tells a story. You can connect Power BI to any data source. Say you have sales data in Excel, customer feedback in Forms, and website traffic in Google Analytics. Power BI can bring all that together in one place and help you see patterns, trends, and what decisions to make next. Finally, there's Power Virtual Agents, which is now part of Copilot Studio. This tool lets you build chatbots and applications by using natural language prompt. The bots you create can answer questions, collect information, or even trigger workflows in Power Automate. For example, you could build a chatbot that helps employees reset their password, or one that helps customers track their order. You can use simple natural language prompt to build apps or workflows across Power Apps and Power Automate. So to recap, Power Apps helps you build custom business apps. Power Automate helps you automate your tasks. Power BI helps you analyze data and create interactive reports. Power Virtual Agents helps you create chatbots and build apps using natural language. Power Pages allows you to create externally facing websites. And together, they make it super easy to build powerful business solutions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Power Platform tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.